Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gulf Jobs Station
And मैं हूँ खुशबू
and myself Surendra. Today we are here with the
UAE requirements.
UAE requirements, and all the requirements are from the oil and gas field. We have multiple openings. Alright, so let's take you guys through the requirements one by one, because there are lots of requirements. It's going to take some time, and we'll tell you the job title and the brief introduction of the the job requirements, profile and everything, so that
Okay, we will learn after
you
2
can
minutes,
you
okay?
can share your profile and CVs according to the experience and the job details. All right, so let's go through the job details.
So the first requirement they have for service advisor.
Where they have asked for diploma in automobile oblique mechanical engineering with 3 to 4 years of experience as service advisor.
Second requirement they have for operation coordinator.
Yes, where they have requested, they have asked for the extensive experience in the fleet management.
Fleet management.
Yes.
The third requirement they have for QC coordinator.
And the experience required is
3 to 4 years.
diploma in automobile mechanical engineering with 3 to 4 years of experience. That's the requirement. So the qualification and experience both, actually, diploma in automobile oblique mechanical engineering with the 3 to 4 years of experience in the similar field. Yeah.
Fourth requirement they have for admin coordinator.
And they must have candidate must have higher secondary school education and 3 years experience, minimum 3 years experience in the administrative support field.
Fifth requirement they have for service manager.
And the candidate must have extensive experience of 8 to 10 years as a service manager, preferably multi-brand.
The sixth requirement they have for training supervisor.
The candidate must have extensive experience of 8 to 10 years as training supervisor, preferably multi-brand.
Seventh requirement is for maintenance supervisor.
Candidate must have diploma oblique degree in automobile oblique mechanical engineering, must have 3 to 4 years of experience, workshop supervisor as a workshop supervisor, controller, and experience must be multitasking.
The next requirement they have for master mechanic.
This is candidate must have 5 to 6 years of experience as ninth. It was ninth requirement, master
Electrician.
electrician. Candidate must have 5 to 6 years of experience as a master technician in European brands automobiles, and the 10th requirement is assistant electrician.
Must have 5 to 6 years of experience as assistant technician in European brands automobiles. The 11th requirement they have for tire repair technician.
Candidate must have high school qualified with 2 to 3 years of experience as tire technician.
12th requirement they have for master painter.
Yes, and the candidate must have 5 to 6 years of experience as a master technician in European brand automobiles.
13th requirement they have for assistant painter.
Where the candidate must have 4 to 5 years of experience as a master technician in European brand automobiles.
14th requirement they have for master denter.
Candidate must have 5 to 6 years of experience as a master technician in European brand automobiles.
And the last requirement, 15th requirement, they have for assistant denter.
And the candidate must have 4 to 5 years of experience as a assistant technician in European brand automobiles.
Now let's talk about the company name, website, and the
email ID where
you need to send the CV. So here the company name is Delta International Petroleum Services.
This is a small introduction about the company, which we're going to tell you. The website is http. Basically, you just write www.deltaoilgasjobs.com.
www.deltaoilgasjobs.com. And
the brief introduction about the company is Delta International Petroleum Services, DIPS, Employment Services Recruitment, 100% locally owned company, which was established by Colonel Saeed Rashid Saif Al-Zabi in May 1992, in globally trusted name for both onshore and offshore recruitment services in the oil and gas industry of the UAE. We offer a myriad of permanent and contract oil and gas vacancies for IT professionals, technicians and operators, supervisors, office administrative staff at all levels. This is they have mentioned in their company profile.
For more details, you can check their website. Now let's talk about the email ID where you need to send the CV.
info@. So I'm repeating the email ID, info@deltaoilgasjobs.com, info@deltaoilgasjobs.com. Attention,
Shibu Muhammad Yusuf.
Mohammed Yusuf.
So please mention this name on your subject line, and of course you have to mention the position for which you are
Whatever position you are applying for and the experience. So thank you very much for watching and paying attention to the requirements. Whoever have got relevant experience and exposure, please do apply, and wish you good luck. Don't forget to like or subscribe our channel, and do press the bell icon so that you get the regular notifications of the openings which we post regularly. And be careful about the fraudulent which is happening nowadays. People are posting that they need they are providing the numbers and they will ask for money. This is absolutely not our business. We are not asking any penny or single money from anybody. Neither we have the contracts with the candidates or companies. This is post, all the post, whatever we are announcing, we are taking from the companies and their social profiles, like LinkedIn, job portals. So and these people post from the company people, directly from the company people, and these are the authenticated openings. So
but sometimes we do mistakes.
Yes, so this is your responsibility to verify as well. We are verifying at our level. You also verify, and do not pay money to any third party or mediators. Be careful.
Thanks for watching. Please take care of yourself and family. Have a good luck.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.